So we're on our way to renovate this trailer now.
Hold on, let me rewind. I'll give you some context. I wanted to start building some passive income. My brother Lex recently bought an Airstream and some land in Arizona and started cash flowing from Airbnb immediately. So I hopped on Facebook Marketplace, bought a trailer, and now
doing these renovations at my parents' house. And I pull up the driveway to see this. This is just the start of it. No idea how I'm gonna carry all of these things. So my solution to move the boxes is finding the dolly. Haha, let's go, friend. Living your best life. Right, Juno? Keep moving. Amateurs. So I have a confession. I started the renovations before I started to restart this vlog. So I'm already in progress. Used to be 2 wood boards up here. There they are. They were ugly brown, now they're black. All of these were silver and now they're black. These were this really ugly brown up here. As you see, they're now black. You see the theme we're going here with this kind of like monochromatic, really hip, really modern trailer. See? Vibes. Sheesh! I apologize to my 18-year-old sister. I'm sure that was super cringe. And then there's the outside of it. So we spray painted the whole thing white. I apologize for what I just did in there. You're gonna see this all after the fact and get mad at me.
Why mad?
Oh, super cringe.
I'd be more proud of you. Like, I'm
Nah.
a vlogger.
No, it was like super Gen Z cringe.
But you're a millennial.
I know.
That's to you.
It's super cringy to me. Oh, so if I do it, is it not cringe then? Because you're like, oh dude, he's like being Gen Z. I'm learning.
Well,
Big brain move right there.
when-
Back for round 2. Be able to do all of this in 2 trips called efficiency, folks. So much easier. Little POV shot. We do like a video game, 3rd-person video game. What do you think? New video game. So like Roller Coaster Tycoon, Sim City, Amazon Mover, the game. Game is to avoid branches, dog poop, get bonus points if you make sure to close the gate. There we go. You know what this calls for, right? Knife time. Actually, it's knife time! Okay, I have a small confession. I really enjoy knives. I don't know why. It's probably because I don't smoke, so I can't carry a lighter on me. Otherwise, I would definitely carry a lighter on me all the time. But the irony is I don't carry a knife on me ever. I only use them to open up Amazon packages. But now I get to use them. I really hope that wasn't actually something important. Oh no. Oops. Did it cut through? No. But those are mattress protectors that I should be careful about doing this. Again, the stuff I do for this video to make it interesting is gonna cost me a lot more money and time and sweat and yeah. Moving on. So renovating this trailer is just going to be actually a lot of busy work. It's not going to be particularly interesting because it's like screwing back in handles, putting the boards back in, just putting a bunch of screws in, and just putting a bunch of... It's furnishing a house at this point. So I guess we'll do some time lapses. No, I'm sweating. I don't know why that one's that's so hard to do. All right, let's see what we got in these Amazon packages. Well, that was a waste of time. Yeah, I don't know why I opened all that. None of that can go inside this Airbnb yet because it's not done getting renovated. Well, not really, because I like opening packages. Who doesn't like opening up Amazon packages? And I have an excuse to open up a bunch of Amazon packages, even though I know exactly what's in it. It feels like Christmas morning, and there's something about it. And don't lie to yourself. You know you love doing it too. So I guess I gotta clean up this crap. Beep, 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 beep. Just got more and more stuff. Heavy. Live with care. That's a good squad right there. How's the form? This package is actually a little heavier than I thought it was. It does say heavy. I thought I was stronger than that. I already just went through it all. I don't know why you need to go
up your Airbnb, bro.
Oh my goodness.
This is the fun part of it.
So why do you take everything out of the box?
We don't need the box.
Well, it's so much easier to carry everything in the box.
This is the most fun part of this whole process.
A lot of bed sheets.
A lot of bed sheets. Toolkit, that's good. Pillows. Important. This is gonna go. We need to find.
And a bunch of stuff hasn't arrived yet.
Covers. Taco versus burrito. What is this?
I saw that game when we were looking at games and I was like, great for kids. I was like, let's do it.
I love it.
Freaking gardeners here. Don't they know I'm vlogging? What the hell? The audacity. Because there's so much to do and it's a little complicated and I don't want to have to deal with filming every little bit. We're just gonna time lapse this. All right, it's looking really good. We have most of it done, actually. We got the marble is getting done on Tuesday. We're doing a white countertop here, a white countertop there, with a black marble here. Upholstery is coming in a week, hopefully a little less. All those cushions. Obviously with the white walls, you want to do all dark accents. So we're like a good halfway down. Now we're just waiting for Amazon to deliver the rest of these packages. Amazon. What happened to this like next day?
And Bezos figured it out, huh?
Come on. Every day's losing dollar. Come check this out in Arizona if you want to see the Grand Canyon. A lesson that I learned while doing this that Lex is telling me. First have to make sure it's not like, oh, the beds don't need to be made, the stuff doesn't need to be put out in the right spot. We got stuff in boxes. We got stuff just sitting here ready to go because we gotta hitch this and drive it all the way out to Arizona, the 8-hour drive. So like things are gonna be moving around in the trailer. You have to make sure that they're like secured, locked down. And then once you get there, then you make it ready to stay in. We're getting everything in and get transpo ready. Then once we get to Arizona, then we make it actually all nice and pretty and ready to go.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
You said it to me and so I just, I know what to say now.
Yeah, exactly.
What do we need to get done to get this painting done?
Roll it, and then we're gonna let it dry. Then we're gonna tape it off here, roll a black line.
And then we just need to do the back. We're gonna have a big mural on this back right here. Those great wings that you see, like the angel wings, the butterfly wings. We're gonna do our own version here, and we might just commission my mother, our mother, to do it. All right, headed to Home Depot and to Walmart, pick up some painting supplies and a mattress. Straight up like anxiety about filming in stores or in public. I hate being like that guy. I don't know. Maybe I'll get more used to it the more I do this, or I will never do it ever in my life. We'll see. That's why you don't have any footage of me in the actual store. Back. Got a trunk full of goodies. Alrighty. Got the twin mattress, ready to go. So that about wraps up our day 1 of the renos. Well, technically it's not even day 1. It's like day 3 of doing this. There's so much more to do. I'm so tired. You don't realize how hard it is on the body just running around remodeling all day until like the end of the day, and you sit down and you're like, I actually can't get back up, I can't move. So yeah, that's about how I feel right now. My legs really hurt. It's coming along though. It's gonna look really good. I'm excited. Get this to Arizona as fast as possible.